In this video, we will explain how to upgrade the firmware of Trend IQ controllers using the System Engineering tool step by step. Welcome to Insight Control System YouTube channel. Why controller firmware upgrade is necessary. Firmware upgrades provide access to the latest features, performance improvements, and system stability enhancements. In some IQ3 Excite and IQ4E controllers, older firmware versions do not support static graphical pages and display only point views. This firmware upgrade process is only compatible with Trend IQ5, IQ4, IQ3, and IQeco controllers. How to check the default controller firmware version. Use the Trend IP tool to detect the controller and its current firmware version. In this case, the controller program and settings are already configured, and only the firmware upgrade is required. Select the Modules option. Multiple options will appear on the left side. Next, select the Address page to access the controller's basic and essential settings. Scroll down to view the default build firmware version of the controller. The current controller firmware version is 3.3. How to upgrade the controller firmware? Step 1. Locate the firmware files. Open the Windows C drive where the System Engineering tool is installed. Open Program Files, then open the Trend Control Systems folder. Next, open the Support Files folder. This folder contains firmware for IQ3, IQ4, IQ5, and IQeco controllers. Select the firmware that matches the controller variant you are using. Copy the compressed firmware file and paste it into another drive, then extract the file. Open the extracted folder. It contains two files, the firmware file and a notepad file that indicates the firmware version. Step 2. Load the application program. Open the System Engineering tool, then upload a basic program or your project program to the controller. Step 3. Open Firmware Upgrade tool. Go to System View. From the Context toolbar, select the device. In the Action toolbar, select Upgrade Firmware. Click Go to open the IQ Tool Firmware Upgrade applet. IQ Tool Firmware Upgrade applet. Overview. The IQ Tool Firmware Upgrade applet provides the facility to upgrade the firmware in IQ5, IQ4E, IQ3, and IQeco controllers. It manages the process of upgrading the controllers to ensure that the process is completed correctly. Toolbar functions. This selection toolbar enables the controller type to be specified for upgrade. This icon indicates that all devices in the grid are selected. Devices excluded by a filter are not selected. This icon indicates that all controllers in the grid are unselected, including those excluded by a filter. This icon indicates that all dynamic data in the grid is refreshed. This icon indicates that the selected dynamic data in the grid is refreshed. This icon indicates that the selected rows are deleted from the grid. This icon indicates that all data is cleared from the grid. This icon indicates that column widths are adjusted to fit the content. This icon indicates that the selected column is frozen. This icon indicates that the selected column is unfrozen. This icon indicates that the Tools menu is displayed. This icon indicates that the About dialog box and Help menu are displayed. Information bar and grid columns. The information bar is displayed underneath the toolbar, which enables information such as the firmware file to be specified. Its contents vary depending on the controller type selected. This is Selection column. It denotes enables the devices for which the firmware is to be upgraded to be selected. This is Devices column. Indicates the type of device, such as IQ5, IQ4, IQ3, and IQeco controllers. A black cross over the icon indicates that IQ Tool Firmware Upgrade applet has failed to communicate with the device. A gray cross over the icon indicates that IQ Tool Firmware Upgrade applet is attempting to communicate with the device. This is LAN column. It denotes the device's LAN number. This is Outstation column. It denotes the device's trend address on the network. This is Serial number column. It denotes the device's serial number. This is Build version column. It denotes the device's firmware version. This is Fast network column. It indicates if the device is connected using a fast network, example, Ethernet. If this symbol appears during operation, the device is not connected to a fast network. If this symbol appears during operation, the status is not applicable to the device. If this symbol appears during operation, the IQ tool is attempting to discover the device status. This is progress column. It indicates the progress of the firmware upgrade. When the process is complete, a green bar indicates success and a red bar indicates a failure. During the upgrade, the bar is orange. This is feedback column. It denotes that provides feedback on the firmware upgrade. When the mouse is moved over the column, a tooltip will display history of the upgrade process. This is time column. It denotes the time taken for the firmware upgrade. Step 4. Select firmware file. In the firmware details section, click the three-dot icon to browse and select the firmware file. Choose the upgrade firmware file from the location where the extracted firmware is stored. In case the controller which is required to upgrade is password protected, you must provide details of username and password in IQtool Firmware Upgrader window. Step 5. Start firmware. Upgrade. Click on Start Upgrade to initiate the firmware upgrade. Move the cursor to the feedback column. You will then see the upgrade process displayed step by step as follows: preparing for upgrade, ready to upgrade, transferring firmware, loading firmware, controller ready to reset, and controller resetting. After this, a connection error window may appear indicating communication failed. Click OK to proceed. The controller will then complete the reset process. Finally, the firmware upgrade process is successfully completed. Verify firmware upgrade. Once upgrade is finished, you can see updated details in version build column. You can also verify whether the firmware has been updated correctly by accessing the controller webpage and checking the build and bootloader versions. After completing the firmware upgrade process, you can load the static graphical images required for your project using the display and directory setup option. Once this process is complete, you can download the program and images to the updated controller. Important technical note: the firmware upgrade process will upgrade the IQ4's firmware, and then for controllers connected to I/O modules with a lower firmware version, it will upgrade the I/O module's firmware. This upgrade can take up to 7.5 minutes for 30 modules, during which time the I/O modules and controller will not be able to control connected plant. The I/O modules indicate they are being upgraded by either flashing the watchdog and I/O bus LED, or by keeping the watchdog LED illuminated until the upgrade is complete, depending on the module's firmware version. Conclusion: by following this step-by-step process using the system engineering tool, engineers can safely upgrade controller firmware and prepare the system for advanced graphical applications. The following images illustrate sample projects after the firmware upgrade of Trend controllers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Insight Control System for more professional tutorials on BMS, HVAC, and building automation. Thank you for watching.